In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste charts from Google Forms. This process is incredibly useful if you need to share your data visually or incorporate it into other documents for more comprehensive reports. So let's get started on this quick and easy task. First, open up your browser and navigate to Google Drive. Google Drive is your primary hub for accessing all Google apps and documents. So logging in here is the first essential step in the process. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look for the apps icon, which will usually be located in the upper right or left corner of your screen, depending on your setup. Clicking on this will display a menu with all available Google applications. Now from the list of apps, select Forms. Google Forms is where your form responses and the associated charts live. So this is where we need to go next. If you have multiple forms, you'll be taken to a page displaying all your forms. From here, select the specific form you'd like to work with. This will open up the form where you can see just how many responses you've received. With the form open, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Responses tab. This tab holds all the magic because it houses the data collected and the charts that visually represent that information. Once you click on responses, you'll be taken to a new section of the form. Now, scroll down until you locate the chart that you're interested in. The visual representation will give you an insightful overview of your data, making it easier to comprehend at a glance. Once you've found the chart, click on it to see a menu option that says Copy Chart. This will enable you to copy the chart to your clipboard ready for pasting. The next step is to open a new or existing Google Doc. In your Google Docs homepage, start with a blank document by selecting blank from the options, or open a recent document if you prefer to integrate your chart into an existing text. Once you have your document ready and open, it's time to paste the chart. Simply right-click where you want to insert the chart and select Paste from the drop-down menu, or if you're using keyboard shortcuts, hit Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. This action will pop up an additional box asking how you'd like to paste the chart, either linked to the spreadsheet or unlinked, depending on your future editing needs. And there you have it, a perfectly pasted chart from Google Forms into Google Docs. By following these simple steps, you can now easily incorporate important data visuals into your reports or presentations.